How to change your Facebook cover photo without notification. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook cover photo without sending a notification to your friends. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in a profile section, just hover over to your cover photo. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on upload photo. And now here, on the new page, simply select the photo from your gallery or Facebook uploads. And now here, before saving, look for the audience, or here at the bottom you can see the option that says share your update to newsfeed. So simply uncheck that option, and here once you're done with it, just tap on save. And now with that, this will ensure that the cover photo will change without appearing on your friend's feed. And that's it. That's how you can change your Facebook cover photo without notification. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.